Hey Karen, this is Larry Powell with Circle P Marketing. We had talked on the phone yesterday, and I'd told you I was going to send over this screencast for you guys, kind of detailing how you guys can improve your internet rankings and pass up your competitors. So here we go. So here's your guys' website, obviously. Very nicely built site, very user friendly. Excuse me. I like that you guys have this contact form here. This is great, make it very easy for people to get a hold of you guys. And that this is click to call, also super awesome. With as much as people are using mobile devices these days to be doing their searches online, having this click to call is very important. So hats off to you guys for having that. My one recommendation for your guys' homepage here would be to kind of beef up the content. I know this is your main homepage, and then you have your different locations where you kind of have homepages based off of those. But right now you guys are about 450 words on this homepage. And I really like to target right about 1,500, and I'll kind of dive into that a little bit later compared to your competition. But 1,500 would really kind of help you guys out with beefing up your rankings just a little bit. One other thing I did notice is you guys currently are not a secure website. And oftentimes with Google, the little things is really what's going to help you guys move up in the rankings. And having this be secure, Google likes that a lot more. There's actually been a lot of rumors going around that pretty soon here they will not let non-secure websites even be rankable as far as being able to get onto those first couple pages. So getting your SSL certificate or getting that secured would definitely help you guys out as well. But overall, really like your guys' site. Lots of pages. Definitely love it there. So I have a couple different tools here that allow me to kind of look and see what you guys have going on with your site and look at the back end stuff. So the first one I'm going to show you guys today is called Ahrefs. This is a paid subscription tool. It costs about 180 bucks a month. They do have like a 7-day, $7 trial. So if you ever wanted to hop on here and take a look at any of this stuff, feel free. But what this kind of tells me is it tells me the strength of your guys' website, the number of backlinks you guys have, and the number of referring domains you have, what organic keywords you guys are ranking for. So a very cool site, allows you to see a lot of what you guys have going on for the back end. So for your guys' backlinks, I don't know if you're familiar with backlinks, but what a backlink is it's a mentioning of your site on another site, and in turn you're getting some of the, well, you're hoping to get some of this backlink juice back to your site. So you have do follow backlinks where you're getting this backlink juice back, and you have no follow backlinks. The no follow are good because it's a mentioning of your business out on the internet, but the do follow is really what you need for that backlink juice in order to help bring up your guys' rankings. So you're also looking at referring domains. So you guys have 5 referring domains with 8 backlinks. And looking at your referring domains, only 2 of those are a do follow domain, meaning you're actually getting some of that backlink juice back. The best way I had the backlinks explained to me was it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And if you have the cool kid at school saying that the maybe not so popular kid is cool as well, in turn that not so popular kid's going to bring up his popularity because he's getting vouched for by the cool kid. So what you're looking for is these influential websites that are linking and allowing you to put, whether that be your website address or a keyword, and you're backlinking to that site, and in turn you're getting some of that popularity bringing back to your site. So it's very important as you're building out your backlinks that you're also looking for influential, meaning high popularity sites, but also ones that are relevant to the roofing niche. So looking at your guys' keywords, I went off of roofing contractors, Eugene, Oregon, but this does see there's lots of different stuff you guys are ranking for. Roofing Salem, Oregon, this has you at 24th. This tool is not 100% accurate because it's like this was updated on the 10th. Roofing Salem, Oregon was October 3rd. So these numbers are a very good estimate, but they're not 100% accurate. So roofing contractors, Eugene, Oregon, this has you at 46th. And then we'll dive in here and I'll kind of show you this. So this is your organic search rankings for roofing contractors, Eugene, Oregon. This is all your paid search results. So your paid per click, which I see you guys are running the ads there. Awesome. And then this is your Google Map Pack. So Google Map Pack is a very important category and area to be in, especially with mobile-friendly websites and people who are doing mobile searches, just because it allows people from their cell phones to be able to click right on this and call. So we'll dive into that a little bit more later, but this is very valuable territory to be in here. And then after that, I'm going to turn on one tool really quick here, sorry. It shows where the rankings are at. After that, you have the organic search. And I have this real quick thing I wanted to show you guys. So Google search results page rank. So for the #1 ranked site, the average traffic is going to be 32.5%, and so on and so forth. All the way down to 10, you can figure they're going to be getting 2.4% of average search traffic. So right now, these are all the top ranked sites. And I have you guys, I know on that Ahrefs site I had you at 46th. I have you guys right here at 50th. So definitely missing out on a lot of that potential traffic coming to your guys' website. So looking at some of your competitors, you have Huey and Sons Roofing as the top ranked. So looking at them, this is their website. They don't have a whole lot more content than you guys, but the age of their website is older than you guys. So they're 2010. That's what this is showing right here. And your guys' website was built in 2018. So the age of the domain is the one thing that we can't really influence as we're doing SEO for websites. So that's why all the little things like the extra content and making sure your SSL certificate is on there that'll really help you guys out with your rankings. So looking at the backlink profile for them, they have 18 referring domains. Only 8 of those are do follow. And their ratings are not that great. So beefing up your guys' do follow domains would definitely help you guys out with the rankings. And then you have Evergreen Roofing. Evergreen Roofing, not a whole lot of content either. But the age of their website, they're at 2001. So another one that, the only reason they're really beating you guys out, not only just because of backlinks, but as far as content-wise, they're really similar, but the age of their domains is really helping them out with getting them into these top spots. So that's why all the little things on the back end would really help you guys out with your rankings. So the last thing I wanted to talk to you about was this Maps Pack. And this Maps Pack is based off of mentions of your business, the name, address, and phone number on the web. So these are called citations. And then you also have back-end stuff for your GMB as far as your descriptions, your images, all these things take into consideration for who's going to be in this Maps Pack here. So looking at your competition, you guys have 17 citation sources, so not a lot. Huey and Sons Roofing, which was right here, they have 37, and then Grewal Roofing and Restoration has 30. So getting some more citations on the web would definitely help you guys out. And then obviously making sure that you have in your description on your GMB, you really have in there, so I'll just show you an example. The description they have here, really making sure you have your keywords and stuff you want to rank for in this description would also help you guys out when it comes to trying to rank for these key terms. And I know you guys are a couple different cities as far as what you're trying to target. All of these same principles apply to Corvallis, Albany, Eugene, Salem. Obviously, there would be a little bit more back-end research I'd want to do to kind of see what your competition's doing. But these same basic principles as far as backlinks, content, citations, these all apply to every one of your locations and getting you ranked for these different areas. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, definitely reach out. I'm sorry for the length of the video. This got a little bit longer than I like to do. But definitely if you have anything you want to talk about on this, I'd love to talk more. Thanks.